Okay, very similar to the previous example, we're converting our decimal numbers into degrees, minutes, and seconds. And this one's going to require an extra step to get into seconds also. The last one just stopped at minutes because we have the number that came out nicely. So here's what we've got. Remember, the degree, the whole number of actual degrees will stay the same. But it's the decimal that we go from a base 10 into minutes and seconds. All right. So we're going to take the 0.37 and change that. And our conversion to get from minutes to degrees is going to be 60 minutes equals 1 degree. Okay. So that's our first fraction to convert. Okay. Now we're going to take a second one that says 60 seconds over 1 minute. Okay. These are equal, right? So we can multiply by this over this. Anything over its equal value comes out to 1. So these are both really like timesing by 1. They're going to switch the units each time we do it. Okay, so let's see what happens. Okay, the 0.37 decimal part, I'm going to times it by 60 minutes over 1 degree. Okay, and like the last one, the degrees cancel. That's what we want to see. So the degrees disappears, and what's left is the minute unit over here. So I do the multiplication, I get 22.2 minutes. And now here I'm not done. The last one, we didn't have a decimal remainder. So now I've got the 22 minutes, but this decimal needs to move into from minutes to seconds because I've got a fraction, a decimal remainder of my minutes. Okay, that follow? That makes sense? So the decimal of all the minutes we're going to change into seconds now, like I said. All right, so here we're going to use our second fraction from down here that says 60 seconds equals 1 minute. And now our minute units cancel out, and this leaves our seconds to go into our result, or our answer. I do the math, timesing that, and I get 12 minutes. Okay, so put all that together, our answer is the 5 degrees that we had, which we didn't have to touch, the 22 seconds we got from our first conversion, and then I took the decimal remainder of that over to here, that became 12 seconds. Okay, so that's got the extra step compared to the previous one. Okay, makes sense?